and today I will introduce our project called the Credit Health Dashboard, which focuses on the issue of Buy Now Pay Later or BNPL. BNPL has grown rapidly because it offers convenient payment options. However, this convenience can lead to a lack of financial awareness among users. The main problem is that users tend to overspend and lose track of their multiple payments commitments. This may result in missed payments, hidden liabilities, and poor financial health. Therefore, our project aims to provide a consolidated view of BNPL commitments, improve financial awareness, and encourage timely repayments. With this dashboard, we expect users to have better control over their spending, improve their financial literacy, and reduce financial stress for a more stable financial future.
Now, let's dive to deep analysis that related to Buy Now, Pay Later or BNPL among Gen Z in Malaysia. First, let's look at the statistic and evidence. BNPL's transaction value in Malaysia has shown a significant increase over the years. In 2021, the value was 5.3 billion. This increased to 8.76 billion in 2024 and 13.2 billion in 2023. By 2024, it reached 19.8 billion. This clearly shows that BNPL usage is growing rapidly and becoming more popular among consumers, especially young users. Next, for the second evidence, bankruptcy cases in Malaysia are also increasing, which raises concerns, especially among young BNPL users. There are about 6.5 million BNPL users, and around 40% of them are youth. Of this, approximately 2.6% have overdue payments. This indicates that while BNPL is widely used, some users are struggling to manage their repayments. Moving on to research on spending behavior of young consumers. Studies shows that young consumers tend to make impulsive and emotional purchases, especially when influenced by social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. BNPL makes this easier because it allows users to get products instantly without paying the full amount upfront. In fact, research also shows that BNPL users often spend more on non-essential items such as clothing and fashion, influenced by lifestyle and social image. Finally, let's look at the key findings and implications. First, BNPL convenience encourages overspending and impulsive buying among Gen Z. Second, limited income and low financial literacy make them more financially vulnerable. Third, excessive use of BNPL can lead to stress, anxiety, and negative mental health effects. In conclusion, while BNPL offers convenience and flexibility, it also brings financial risks if not managed properly, especially for young users. Thank you.
Now, I will demonstrate how our credit health dashboard works. First, users log in securely using their email and password. If they are new users, they can create an account by clicking sign up, and once logged in, they are directed to their personalized dashboard. Here is the credit health dashboard. At the top, users can see their credit health score, which gives a quick overview of their financial health. In this example, the score is 85%, which is considered good. Below, there are 4 key indicators: monthly income, current debt service ratio, credit utilization, and active accounts. These indicators help users understand their current financial commitments at a glance. Before making another BNPL purchase, users can check these indicators to see whether they are borrowing within their financial limits. For example, a high DSR or high credit utilization may indicate that they should avoid taking on additional debt. This dashboard makes it easier for people to monitor their finances, make informed borrowing decisions, and develop healthier financial habits.
Hello, my name is SYAFIAH BINTI AMIN, and we will be walking through the other features. Let's take a look at the core features accessible from this screen. First, we have the DSR calculator. DSR, or debt service ratio, is what banks use to approve loans. Instead of guessing, users can instantly calculate their They are here to know exactly where they stand before applying for credit. Second, we have a debt tracker, a centralized view where users can monitor what they owe, look at the payment schedules, and map out their path to becoming debt-free. Third, we have interest stimulator. This is a dynamic forecasting tool as it lets users stimulate how changing interest rates or making extra repayments will affect their loans over time, helping them save money for long term. Then we have recommendation. This isn't just data, it's personalized insight backed by our backend logic. This section serves up tailored financial advice and next steps based on the user's unique credit profile. Then we have financial health and goal tracker. Positioned at the bottom, these two tools give users a snapshot of their overall financial wellness and let them set and monitor milestones like saving for a house down payments or improving a credit score.
As we conclude our presentation, I would like to share our team's reflection throughout this project. Working on the credit health dashboard has been a valuable learning experience for all of us. Although each team member has assigned different sections, we worked closely together to ensure that every part of the project was connected and aligned with our main objective, which was to address the issue of poor credit management among Gen Z. Throughout the project, we practice effective communication by holding regular discussions, sharing ideas, and providing feedback to one another. Whenever we encountered challenges, such as deciding on the most suitable prototype or presenting financial concept in a simple and user-friendly way, we solved them together through collaboration and mutual support. This project also strengthened our teamwork skills. We learned the importance of respecting different opinions, managing our time effectively, and completing our responsibility according to the project timeline. Every member contributed their own strength, whether in research, financial analysis, prototype development, infographic design, or presentation preparation. Most importantly, this project helped us realize that financial planning is not only about understanding theories, but also about creating practical solutions that can benefit society. By developing the credit health dashboard, we were able to apply the concept we learned in Chapter 4 into a digital tools that promotes responsible borrowing and better debt management. In conclusion, this project has improved not only our knowledge or personal financial planning, but also our communication, collaboration, and problem-solving skills. We believe this experience will be valuable for our future academic and professional careers. That's all from us. Thank you.